hot water. Eco-wise. Not really, dudes. This thing, I had to pull all the restrictors out that reduce the flow of the water, the most precious of resources, just to get this thing to fire when I first bought it. And now, some 12 years later, no worky, no clicky. Turn on the water. You can hear the water, but no gas fire. Gnarly. Let's get into some fault finding. This thing here produces a voltage, goes through those wires to the ignition module. Over here, should be around about 2 volts. Produces spark for ignition and signal for gas solenoids to open. Set it on AC volts, 1 to ground or earth. Let's check now. Water on. Generator should be producing voltage on that pin. And we've got just over 1 volt. No ticky. Okay. Check the output to gas solenoids. Nothing. Output to the gas solenoid. Nothing. Okay. If we disconnect this, which I'll do off camera because it's hard to hold and disconnect, and we'll check the voltage there. We know we've got voltage coming from the generator. Now it's just a matter of determining what the issue is. Okay, disconnected. Check that pin. Red wire again. 1.2, 1.3 volts. So it's getting pulled down 0.3 of a volt. So that seems to be okay. New item, big shout out. Total Gas spares and fittings. Placed this order early morning on the 6th. Real early morning, like 3 o'clock or something. And it's arrived now on the 7th, about 2 o'clock. So, really impressed, good service, not a paid promotion. Check these guys out, they're the cheapest price, and delivery was said to be on the 10th, and it's already here. Perfect. Good Aussie company out of Victoria, supporting us fellow Australians with good service. Get rid of the meter, fit it back in there, hook it up, and we'll see if it works. Out with the old, in with the new. Just a matter of plugging it up. Connecting the leads, small one to the rear. Nice and secure. Large one to the electrode. Front. Water on. Tiki tiki tiki. Woof. Voila. Problem solved. Put it all back together and we can have a shower.